Hello everyone, this is our Wick DP machine. This machine uses stainless steel instead of steel to dipping tank design with high temperature and low temperature dipping to realize 3 to 4 times dipping and let the wick coated totally smooth, rounder and hard enough. Temperature controller for the dipping tank and the wick holster. Multiple nozzles for different size of the wick. Dipping speed adjustable, slow or faster depend on the cooling time. It can reach 800 to 1000 meter per hour. And the highlight of the machine is can use high quality wax to make the wick burning, no smoke, low smell and hot.